Well, I do have health problems. Actually, I am a little bit disabled because I can't walk without the walker. Sometimes I have to use my wheelchair. And it got really cold this winter. And we were just, it didn't matter. We were just freezing. So we used our cook stove in the kitchen and turned the burners and the oven on and had several that's heaters that around, and we halfway stayed warm, that way.
The first person that came to my mind was Rick Stover in Stover Heating and Air Conditioning. I knew that he would help, and because he's so compassionate and cares about our community.
When Stovers called and said they would help me, I'm sorry. I was just so overwhelmed. But I mean, there really are people here who care. You just gotta find them. And the air conditioner, I'm really glad we got the air conditioner because last summer our old one kept stopping, and there isn't any way to stay cool. We had fans and everything on, and there's just no way to stay cool when it's hot in the house. And now I'm not gonna have to worry about it. I'm gonna have heat and air. Thank God, and thank you. Because I don't know what I'd have done if this hadn't happened.